Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Our daddy taught us not to be ashamed of our
Metal Gear.
especially since they're such good size and all.
Yeah, I see that. Daddy gave you good advice.
It gets bigger when I'm pulling. Sometimes I pull on it so hard, I
Launch a nuclear warhead.
Well,
Big boss.
taught me a few things too, like how not to
Launch a nuclear warhead.
by using someone else's mouth instead of your own hands.
Will you show me?
I'd be right happy
Do it now, lick it good. Suck this dick just like you should. Right now, lick it good. Suck this dick just like you should. My neck, my back, lick my dick and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my dick and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my dick and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my dick and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my dick and my crack. Lick my dick and my crack. First you gotta put your dick into it. Don't stop, just do it, do it. Then you roll your tongue from the crack back to the front. Then you suck it all till I shake and come, nigga. Make sure I keep bustin' nuts, nigga, all over your face and stuff. Slow head, show me so much love. The best dick comes from the dick good, dick big and long. So fuckin' till the crack of dawn. Lick it now, lick it good. Lick this dick just like you should. Come on, right now, lick it good. Lick this dick just like you should. My neck, my back, lick my dick and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my dick and my crack. My neck, my back, my neck, my back, lick my dick and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my dick and my crack.
When I get that feeling, I want sexual healing. Sexual healing is good for me. Makes me feel so fine. It's such a rush. Helps to relieve the mind, and it's good for us. Sexual healing, baby, it's good for me.
Do it now, lick it good. Suck this dick just like you should. Right now, lick it good. Suck this dick just like you should. My dick, lick my dick and my dick. My dick, lick my dick and my crack. My dick, lick my dick and my crack.
Buddy, you go on door. The leather close 2 blocks down.
Fuck you.